Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiant Diva Skincare. Okay, I know that I have not been coming online. I'm so sorry. I'm so busy with my training, busy making products, busy selling products, busy creating content on TikTok. Yes, we are on TikTok now. There they happen. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys these two products that you're going to use to clear your stretch mark. Do you know what? I'm a living testimony. You know, I've been battling with hormonal imbalance. Yes. Sometimes I see my period, sometimes I don't see my period. And as you can see, I'm very fat. I'm weighing 80 something. You know? And I've got some stretch mark, which I am actually dealing with. And the product that I'm using is actually working. Like, it is actually working. So I've been hearing about these two products. Like, I've been hearing about these two products. Go and try that. Go and try this. Go and try this. Go and try this. And I'm even selling them. And I thought to myself, should I actually try these products? And these products are kind of expensive. So, no, one of them is kind of expensive anyway. So I thought to myself, maybe I decide this product, then it's better I should just try it and see how it's going to look like, if it's going to help. I said no. I have stretch mark oil that I made. Yes, I have a stretch mark oil that I made. I started using that one. Believe me, that stretch mark oil that I made, that I'm selling, it is working perfectly. But I still want to see I still want to know the review. I still want to know why people are reviewing these two products. Use it for your stretch mark. Use it for your stretch mark. TikTok, use it for your stretch mark. Instagram, use it for your stretch mark. Yeah, use it for your stretch mark. And I said I'm going to show you these two products today because I finally used these two products. I used it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You will not believe me. I used this product for 2 weeks. Now I'm going to be sharing you my before photo and now, and tell me what you guys see. Tell me what you guys see, and hurry up to come and buy this product. Hurry up to come and buy this product. So guys, our online training class is still going on. If you want to learn how to make skincare products, you know me now. I'm going to teach you. I teach the best. I don't hide recipe. I teach you what I sell. As you can see, these are my handmade skincare products. I don't even have products. Yeah, nothing is here. Everything is finished. Even the done. I teach what I sell. I will not go and be teaching you something else that I know that I cannot even sell. So you're going to get what I'm selling. And my training is very, very easy. It comes with videos, it comes with recipe notes, it comes with explanation, and I am available to you. You can send me if you need any help, maybe after training you still need mentorship, things like that. Yes, I am available. I am available anytime. Anytime I am available. My WhatsApp number is there. Write me up. Only for my students. So please, I did not say you all should come to my WhatsApp number. No. Only for my students, please. So guys, I'm going to be showing you these two products. The first one is this soap. You see this complexion soap. What is it called? Smooth and Sleek. I have been selling this soap without even knowing the wonders that this soap can do on my skin. Without knowing the wonders. So I decided to try this soap on my skin, on my stretch mark. I did not use it all over my skin because I was trying to manage it. I don't want to pick another one again. I'm selling it, so I cannot finish everything on my skin. I use this on my soap, on my skin. You will not believe it, guys. This stretch mark soap, it is good. It is good. It's good for dark spots. I have not tried it for dark spot on my face, so because I don't actually have any dark spot on my face. So, but this soap, people that have been buying this soap from my hand for dark spot, they are telling me. But the thing is that I always tell them, please, if you're not using a sunscreen, if you don't have a very good moisturizer, don't buy this soap. In fact, don't apply it on your face. On your body, voila. But on your face, you need a very good moisturizer and you need a very good sunscreen. So this soap for stretch mark, forget it. It will clear your stretch mark. It will clear your stretch mark, like it will help to fade it down. It will not be too So guys, then I tried it on my skin. It was so great. So how do I use this? Remember, I'm still going to show you the other one. Now I'm going to tell you how to use this soap perfectly on your skin. So where I have my stretch mark, I have my stretch mark on my my thighs. Okay, I have my stretch mark on my thighs because that place I don't know. You can see I'm adding people that have been following me. You know, I wasn't big like this. You know, I wasn't big like this. Is this hormonal imbalance of 18? The thing is dealing with me, you know. So I'll first of all, if I want to take my bath, I'll first of all wet my laps, then use this soap to massage my lap, then say 10 minutes before I go and take my bath. That is how I do it. 10 minutes before going to take my bath, then I'll use this soap, massage my lap where I have the stretch mark. Then 10 minutes later, I'll go to the bathroom, then I'll add little water on it, then I'll start. I don't use sponge on that very part, and beside that, I don't use sponge every day on my skin. It is not advisable to be sponging your skin every day. That is why I always recommend using a bar soap on your body, not on your face, please, on your body, so that you can have time to use that bar soap to massage. Like, you rub everywhere, keep massaging, massage for like 5 minutes, pour water on your skin, and you are good to go. Not every time you need a sponge on your skin. Do you get it? So I'll massage it, then later take my bath. When I'm done, then I use my stretch mark oil. Okay, so let me show you my stretch mark oil. This is what I've been using. This one is the one I'm selling, but this one is the one I have that I'm using. Then I'll apply my stretch mark oil. So I noticed that it has been fading. No, it's fading, it's going, it's fading, it's going, it's fading, it's going. So, but I noticed that it's fading, but that very part, it's becoming dark. I don't know, that very part that I'm applying this soap and this oil, it's becoming dark. I don't know if the stretch mark is the one becoming dark, fading down, or if it was my skin that was fading down. I was confused, you know. But the stretch mark was not. I'm not saying it's like that, but still, that very part is not that yummy the way it looks, you know. I was kind of confused. I said, okay, what I'm going to do now? I'm going to drop this my stretch mark oil for now. I'm going to drop this soap for now. So then I started using, look, Trentinol. Ogbonge Trentinol. Hey God, this thing is very expensive. It is very expensive. I have to risk it because I'm selling it. I have to risk it, and I took one. I took one of it, and I have been applying that on my lap. You know, I said before that when I was using that soap and my stretch mark oil, it was fading, but it was as if that place was getting dark. But you see, this stretch mark, this Trentinol, I'm already calling it stretch mark product. This Trentinol started brightening the place. Like, I was not seeing the stretch mark again. It started brightening. Though when I was using the soap and my stretch mark oil, it was clearing it, but that very area was kind of going dull. But this Trentinol brought out my color back again, and I was not even seeing that stretch mark like that again. Every time I just look at my leg like this, I say, eh? So these people that have been saying this thing on TikTok, Trentinol or stretch mark, Trentinol or stretch mark, my dear, you see this one. Let me tell you something. I'm even going to say it. If you have stretch mark, don't buy any stretch mark product again. Don't buy any stretch mark product again. Just go for this one and this complexion soap. Trentinol Prim and this complexion soap. Go for these two. Yes, go for these two. Then if you are done clearing your stretch mark, then you can get any oil. Like I always say it. If you have stretch mark, anywhere you have your stretch mark, avoid applying body lotion on that part. Avoid applying body lotion on that part. You can apply oil. If you have stretch mark on your lap, apply only oil on your laps. Then the other part of your skin, apply your lotion. Yes, apply your lotion. I've been saying this before. Just be using oil. You can get any stretch mark oil and be applying that part. Just be applying it on that part, okay? get any stretch mark oil and be applying it on that part. After you must have finished treating your stretch mark. Once you finish treating your stretch mark, then get oil. If you have stretch mark on your laps, you finish taking your bath, rub your oil on your lap, then use your body lotion on other part of your skin. Okay, on other part of your skin, use your body lotion. But anywhere you have stretch mark, use your oil that place. Okay, oil cannot darken your skin, it cannot reduce your skin, it cannot do this to your skin. It will blend your skin, it will even prevent that stretch mark from growing. So avoid using what is it called, body lotion on your lap. Let's just say you have a stretch mark on your arm anywhere, use only oil there. Okay, so guys, these are the 2 products that I've been using. It is working, and I'm going to tell you how to use it. It is not everyday thing. For the soap, you can use the soap every day, and for this one, you can use this one like 2 to 3 times in a week. So when I finish applying these 2 things, like I finish washing with this and I apply this one, then what I do, I will get my Vaseline. I will get my Vaseline to moisturize the part where I have my stretch mark. Meaning, after applying the tretinoin, if I finish applying tretinoin, I'll wait for like 5 minutes for that tretinoin to soak into my skin, to go into my skin. Then I will now apply Vaseline. Use Vaseline to massage my skin. That is it. That is it. And God, I am so happy. Like, I have been hearing of this tretinoin and this complexion soap on TikTok. I'm just ignoring it, and I'm selling them all, but I was ignoring it. I don't want to touch inside. I don't want my money to cut off. So go and use these 2 products and come and learn how to make skincare products from the scratch. We teach from the scratch. We teach anything you want to learn about skincare products, how to source for your material, how to sell your products. So guys, that is it for today's video, and please follow me on my Instagram page, follow me on my TikTok page. Yes, there I'm dropping content there. It's happening there. I am dancing there. There you're going to know my full personality. Do you get? There you're going to know my full personality. So I'm going to see you soon. This my soon. Only God know when. No, only God know when I will come back again with this my soon. Okay, now I'm going to come back soon anyway, then show you another product you can also use for your skin. Bye.